ازيكم. How to use computer while you are learning in STEM education professionally. Let's see this presentation and learn together about this topic. Computer is very important in STEM education. Actually, there are about 8 things very important. The first thing is in journal exams. You are using computer, laptops, your professional email or official email at STEM Asyut, and you have to protect your password because without this password you cannot enter and achieve your exam. So you have to do some things in this about the journal. You have to have two verification methods about your email, and you have to ensure you have the email and password before the exam. If you lost your password, you let the administrator, computer administrator, network administrator to know that you lost your password to prepare it before the exam by 4 or 5 days because it's official, and maybe you can retry this with yourself. This is the first thing. You have to prepare a very good and strong password, including all these symbols, numeric and symbol and characters. You have to use the browser with only your official email. Don't use another email in this browser. The next thing is presentations in classrooms, in session, during session. You have to prepare presentations using PowerPoint, and you have to be fit and good in creating presentations using PowerPoint. PowerPoint is very, very important through the activities and your presentation in your session to your colleagues. Okay, you can search for already PowerPoint in biology, in chemistry, in physics, and you can modify this by downloading and modify through your PowerPoint or build the PowerPoint from scratch. The capstone prototype. You have to record the test of your prototype, and while you are building your prototype using Movie Maker or Camtasia, you record with your mobile cell phone and then upload to your computer and modify this with the Movie Maker like this, and you can upload from here and then edit from here and add title or captions and modify these titles and make some animation for these titles like this one, as you see. So you can use also Camtasia in this also the same thing. You can make notation, make transitions, behaviors, animations, and all things about. So this is very important to record your building and testing your prototype, because if your prototype was damaged or broken, you can prove that you have did the prototype, and this the recording validates this. We have to create portfolio and modify this portfolio every session with the steps in this portfolio, including starting with the search for the problem, and define the problem and create your solution, and then build your prototype, and then the materials that you use. All these things you have to do, and then convert this portfolio in Word file into PDF file like this one. Okay, this will include pictures. Portfolio include pictures, include the graphs, include the materials, pictures from your prototype. You take to your building it, and it's approved like the recording we said before. And the materials, the table of material like this ones you used, and the tools you used, and the tables of the results and the graphs and recommendation and learning outcome you used in your portfolio, and the conclusion. All this will be prepared by writing and searching in Word, and then convert to PDF file. The next thing is the poster. You have to fill the template in your poster. The poster like this one. Poster includes all the things in your portfolio, but with simplified and in just one poster, and it will back in your exception day, on the wall in exception day. So the judges will give you the degree or the results on your exception. Check this poster, and this poster is PPT PowerPoint template, and you will include graphs like these graphs, okay, and pictures of your prototype, and the abstract and the introduction and the materials, like all this you can see in this one. We can abstract methods, pictures. You use the hardware, Arduino and software for controlling this hardware, for controlling the fan. The input comes from sensors, and the results and the graphs and the recommendation, all things, the materials you used, okay. Create Google Forms for events, for meetings, for festivals, for trips, scientific trips. You can also create Facebook page. You can create YouTube channel. This will help you in creating this multimedia social media for creating events, and you have to have skills in using AI for creating pictures, writing proposals, creating posters. So you have to have a good account on DeepSeek or ChatGPT or Blackbox, or Facebook account, also LinkedIn account, okay. We have to do some for searching for scholarships and grants abroad, in USA, in China, in Japan, in Germany. This will help you to get full granted or full free scholarships. You will have to have a good experience in searching and using internet and computer skills for this searching for education, for culture, and then you have to modify this proposal and CVs and essays for suit your skills, culture, education, and experiences. The next one, the computer itself is you are studying computer as a subject. This from the grade 10 you are studying drawing using SketchUp. This one, drawing, engineering drawing using SketchUp, and you will put the details and dimension on the drawing. You have to do this for your project, okay. So before you start building your project, you have to have a very good drawing, engineering drawing for this project. The second thing, you have to download our copy.
The Visual Studio Code, you will use it in creating web pages or programs using HTML, PHP, CSS, SQL. You will study HTML, CSS, and flowcharts and numbering system in grade 10 in first term, and then Python in second term. And in grade 11, ثانية ثانوي, you will study about databases, SQL, PHP, okay, and creating dynamic websites. And then in the second term, you will learn about creating
mobile applications. So you have to know about Visual Studio, Android Visual Studio. You learn XML and Java, and you can use MIT App Inventor. This is very good for dragging these tools from here, checkbox, like data, image, labels, text list view, and then you will build your code using like Scratch. Build from here, and then you will build the Android APK and start your copy this app or APK to your mobile and run it using Arduino and your Capstone prototype as a hardware, and developed by software and controlled by software. So this is the last presentation in slide, which is the Arduino. This one creating prototype hardware and software اللي هو الأردوينو e-cards. So you can use the software itself which is set up or installed in your machine laptop, or you can use it from the Tinkercad, okay, and then upload the software to your Arduino and connect the sensors and the outputs of pumps, fans, anything you control through this Arduino, through the sensor and the program written in Python. This is all about computer science and STEM education. And if you have any question, ask and I will reply you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video.